everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please be sure to like, comment down below, and share with anyone and everyone, and let everyone know what I'm all about. Today I'm going to be doing a video about my very first YouTube paychecks. It's pretty strange to be getting paid by Google, but it's pretty awesome. So I thought I'd disclose them out with you guys because you guys are the ones who helped this all happen, and from donations and from you guys watching my ads, it's just so amazing. So yes, I'm super excited to do this video. I'm going to disclose the full amount. I'm going to be super transparent with you guys. So yeah, let's continue this journey. I've been gone for like a little bit, so I'm sorry, but I just need a little time. I know I keep saying like I just need a little break, but honestly, like since everything is like closed for my normal videos, it's kind of tough. But alright, let's get into it. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how much I got paid, and I'm going to also touch on the best ways to get paid on YouTube and what you should do if you want to like start a YouTube channel. If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, you've been thinking about it for like quite a while, definitely just start. Just do it. Just get a video up there, do whatever you want to do. If you want to do makeup, if you want to do, you know, talking, story times, anything. Just get it out there for the public and start it. And just let me know if you guys like need support starting a YouTube channel or anything like that. So yeah, the most important thing is, you know, taking inspiration and creating things that are original to you, and doing things that you like. So like when I first started YouTube, I was like doing eating videos in my car, and then I, you know, came to this like a table and ring light and decorations, and it's just crazy to see like where I started like 7 months ago into like where I am, and I'm actually getting paid from like Google. I would have never thought in a million years that I was going to hit any of those milestones. You know, it was 1,000 subscribers that you needed, and you also needed 4,000 watch time hours, which is something not a lot of people know when they start. Like personally, I didn't realize it was going to be that challenging to get paid on YouTube. So yeah, those are important things to take notes of. Also, what you should do each and every day, you should set a goal for subscribers for yourself. So you should set at least 30 to 40 subscribers a day, which is very difficult, but what I did coming up, I pretty much like went to other channels and I introduced myself and I said, hey, I'm a mukbanger also, and I do these kind of videos. So yeah, just checking you out. And normally people would come by and check out my channel, see if they're interested in the content. And you know, not everyone is going to be interested in what you create, so you got to keep that in mind. So if you go to like 30 channels and you introduce yourself, expect maybe about 10 to 15 of those people to come by and check you out as well. So that's very important to set goals. Also, you know, networking streams are very I don't know how to explain it. They can be good and also bad because some of those people don't actually watch our content, but then some of them actually do come by and check you out and they're loyal. So yeah, I think that's important to know. Like really just set a goal for yourself. Go to other channels and actually support them genuinely. Don't just like watch like 5 minutes of the video and just say like, oh, I checked you out, come by and check me out, or see my content. You know, that's not gonna work. You can really tell a genuine person from a person who is just watching like a few minutes of your video and then just leaving a comment just to get you to come check them out. So that's very important, to stay genuine and stay connected. Also, use social media for your benefit. Share your videos on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Those are all very important, and they should all be connected. Like your name should be the same across each and every platform, and you should really create a brand for yourself. Like my name on here is CoryDaBall. Like on my Instagram is CoryDaBall. YouTube, and that's only because my name was taken. But if you can create a unique name that is not taken and is like, you know, usable for each and every platform. So before you even start a YouTube channel, make sure your name is available on all social media platforms first. That's something I did not do, and that's something I would change in a heartbeat if I was just starting out. So that is super important, so you can be more accessible and more people can find you if you have one name across the board and you really brand yourself and you really say, this is what my channel is about. I've seen so many people have channels and they say, oh, my channel is about hair, oh, my channel is about food, oh, my channel is about this. It makes it very confusing as an outside perspective to really understand what you're about, who you are as a person, and what you're doing on this platform. Get a notebook like this, take some notes, and I'm just really telling you what's helped me throughout this journey and what I've learned from, and yeah. So everything I've listed: goals, stay genuine, create a brand for yourself, and just do it. Literally, just start a channel, just get it done. Like, I did it because I just needed, a place to express myself and, feel free to talk about whatever I want and meet a bunch of people from all over the world. And it's literally been the most amazing thing. And when you start your channel, it is the most exciting thing in the entire world because you have enormous amount of support from people that you didn't even know would want to, watch your videos or be there to support you. And you just meet so many new people from everywhere. Like, the statistics show you where your viewers are watching from. Like, it could be from New York. I have people watching from, Bora Bora, Jamaica, the UK. I have people watching from all over the world, which is so awesome. And it shows you the age range. I have people watching from 13 all the way to over 65 years old. And I think that's just so exciting and super, like, eye-opening. Like, you can really attract people from everywhere and diverse ages, and I think that's the most fascinating part. You can really just, like, speak to so many people from one upload in a video. Also, what the community needs on YouTube is positivity. So one thing that gets a lot of views on YouTube, and YouTube loves to push out, I'm just going to be real with you, is drama. And they say it's supposed to be a safe place, and there's going to be no tolerance for drama. But those videos are the videos that get pushed out the most. But I never fall into that. I never want to just, like, create a drama channel out of myself because I'm just genuine on me, and I strongly disagree with that. So staying out of the drama and staying, kind of tunnel vision in your own lane. Make friends on the way, but don't let the friends get in the way, if that makes sense. So that's very, very important because we're all doing the same thing. Like, you meet other creators and we're all doing the same thing. We're creating, we're trying to strive for better, we're trying to grow our audience. And when you kind of mix friendship into business, it can kind of get a little messy because since you guys are doing the same things and you guys both are trying to build your brand up, it could turn out badly from experience, actually. So, yeah. Okay, so now on to my first YouTube paycheck. I'll be throwing screenshots on the screen so you guys can see in a little bit on how much I got paid. So first things first, I've been doing YouTube for about 7 months now. And it took me about, let me see, I started in July and it took me all the way to December to get monetized. Now, the first 3 months of starting, I didn't really have any direction. I didn't really know what I really wanted out of YouTube at that point. I didn't really realize the criteria that you had to hit to get monetized and to make money on YouTube. I didn't really understand it all. And with 3 months of doing YouTube, I only had about, I want to say 300 or 400 hours. My audience retention was super low. I didn't realize what I had to do to keep people watching and keep people engaged. It really took a lot of time to really understand and grasp how to get there. And after finding out I only had 300 hours out of 4,000 that I had to get, I really realized that I had to do something else. I had to rebrand, kind of do something different, and really push myself and come out of my comfort zone. I took some time off on YouTube, and in September, I kind of just was like, you know what, this isn't working. I only have 300 hours. So in October, I came back swinging, and this is how I did it. So what you have to do is keep up on trends. Look what's trending in your community, like mine in the mukbang community. Doing challenges was the trending topic, and that's what is going to give you the most views, the most watch time, the most audience retention, everything. So in between October 1st to mid-December, which was around December 16th, I believe, I basically got 3,700 hours, which is crazy and ambitious, and I can't believe I did it. But it was a grind. I was uploading pretty much every single day, and I had a steady support of people. I did live streams. I did fun, unique game shows on the live streams, and that's what really helped me and my content and my channel just like explode the way it did. I hit the $100 threshold that you have to hit each and every month to even get paid in the first place. So you have to hit $100 to get paid for that month, and you get paid on the 21st of each and every month. I'm also going to be disclosing video amounts, and I'm going to show you how much you'll get paid off of a video with like 10,000 views and 15,000 views. It's not as much as you would think it would be, so we'll give you guys a general idea of how much you will be making. The video I posted, Milwaukee trip, I got over 10,000 views, and this is how much it made. I'll put it down here somewhere. So I believe it was around $50, $55 for a video with 10,000 views. So that gives you guys a general idea of how much YouTubers actually make. And within this time period, YouTube sent me a PIN number, and then you have to verify that your address matches up with your Google AdSense account. So then after you verify, you have to set up a direct deposit to your bank account, or you could just get checks, but I just did direct deposit because it's so much easier. YouTube had notified me that there was money waiting for me in my account, but I didn't even touch it for a whole month because I was working on a new job and working on content creating, so I wasn't too like pressed about it. And I just recently set up my account and everything, so these are the first check amounts that I got from Google, with only being monetized since December. And your past videos prior to being monetized does not count in any way for making money. So my paychecks since December 16th, I got the 2 paychecks in a row for some reason, was on March 18th, and it was $197.53. Then a few days later, on March 23rd, I had got another payment for $171.01. I'll be displaying it on the screen here. I got paid over $365 since getting monetized in December. And in that time period, I think I've gotten over 50,000 or 60,000 views on my channel. So 60,000 views will give you over like 300 some dollars, almost $400 on your channel. So it's tough. It's a lot of work, but I'm just so fortunate and blessed to have had such amazing support, such an amazing group of creators surrounding me. So I want to say thank you guys so much. And I hope this video kind of helps you guys out a little bit and like understand like how much we actually make on this platform. So if you're a content creator just starting out or thinking about starting out, please feel free to message me or comment down below if you have any other questions about this. And I hope this video kind of helps people, you know, who are curious about, you know, how much we make as a creator. And I just kind of want to let you know it's not a lot. Like, it takes a lot of work, and it's not just like some easy, you know, cash grab thing. Like, you have to love and your soul into this. Like, you have to really love what you're doing to make this thing work. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think I pretty much went over all the basics. I'm going to probably be doing another video about this at a later date. I'm going to be releasing a video coming very soon. I want to get back on my schedule of every other day uploads. I'm going to get on that schedule. I have committed to myself to be doing that. Lately it's been kind of tough, but get back on track, guys. Alright, love you guys to death. Peace out. And if you know anyone who is just wanting to start a YouTube channel and is interested in this information or any other information in the future, share this video out with them. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Alright, bye all my corals.